Pakistan Navy has successfully procured an entire fleet of Westland WS-61 Sea King helicopters from Qatari Emiri Navy. The fleet includes 5 Mk-3A anti-submarine, anti-surface warfare variants, able to carry 2 Exocet anti-ship missiles with a range of over 100 nautical miles, and 5 Mk-2 commando, troop carrier, utility variants. The medium-lift British-built WS-61 Sea King helicopter is used for maritime utility and anti-ship warfare roles. It is also equipped with a sea searcher radar in an enlarged dorsal radome. It was originally developed as a hunter-killer for submarines and is able to carry 4 Mk-46 torpedoes and/or depth charges plus a dipping sonar. The utility variant is capable of transporting 28 fully equipped troops. The Westland WS-61 Sea King helicopters will become part of the Pakistan Navy's efforts to ensure peace and security for both Pakistan, the region and the international maritime community in the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea.